Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why are Walmart tires so much cheaper? Walmart has exclusive agreements with tire brands. Another reason why Walmart tires are so inexpensive is that Walmart collaborates with well-known brands such as Goodyear, Michelin, Uniroyal, Toyo, and Mastercraft tires to manufacture cheaper tire ranges. How much should 4 tires cost installed? According to recent reviews, Angie's List members report paying an average cost of $637 to replace 4 tires, with a range of $525 to $725. According to Cost Helper, a standard, all-season tire costs between $50 and $200 each, with an average price of $80 to $150. Are Walmart tires the same quality as dealer tires? Costco and Walmart sell quality tires, even though go get them at extremely discounted prices. The quality and performance of the Michelin or Pirelli tires you buy from Costco and Walmart are the same as that of the same brand from more expensive dealerships. Can I return a tire to Walmart? When you purchase a tire from Walmart, you can return it within 90 days and get a refund, provided it is unused. If you want to get repairs or replacements, Walmart offers a road hazard warranty for $10 a tire. What does Walmart road hazard warranty cover? The Walmart road hazard warranty, $40 per car, $10 per tire, covers flat tires and general wear and tear for the lifetime of the tires. The Walmart lifetime balance tire warranty, $56 per car, covers tire balancing or tire rotation services.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.